guys, on this one we have a Challenge Xtreme Petrol motor. It's a SV150 149cc. It's been neglected, as you can see. Just check the oil on it. This one actually has a gearbox. Oil level looks good, but it won't start and it's smoking a lot. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the carburetor. Just taking off the air filter, and that's the actual carburetor itself here, as you can see. A bit dusty on the top, but I've actually undone the drain plug at the bottom. I'll pull it apart and give it a clear out. I've drained the petrol out of it. This is the actual float chamber of the carburetor. Just have a look inside. Let's get a bit more light in there so you can see a bit better. And inside there is quite a few bits in here. The grease and dirt from the tank. Just checking the float there, seems to be moving okay. And I'm just going to clean the unit out, just get it aerosol blower, and just blowing out all the dust or dirt or whatever's inside the unit. Just clearing all the vents and jets. I'm just using some fluid just to clean out the grease from the bottom, and then I'm just blowing it out here. And then I'm just going to put the unit back together, make sure the seal's in place, tighten it back up. And here I'm just cleaning a couple of the jets. The fuel tank it doesn't have an inline filter, so all the dirt inside the tank, bits of grass that fall in there, have gone into the carburetor, so I'm going to put an inline filter. Here you see I've cleaned everything up. That's the fuel tank, put an inline filter on it. That's the air filter housing, and that's the carburetor which I've cleaned and cleared, and that's the spark plug which I've cleaned up also. Now everything's all ready. All I've got to do is put it back on the machine, and voila, all the parts are back on, and I'll give it a bit of a clean. If you do decide to wash the machine, put a bit of plastic bag over this part. You don't want to water get into the carburetor through the jets. And that's the fuel filter I've added to stop all the debris going into the carburetor from the fuel tank. And I'm just going to give it a start. It's smoky as hell because of I've had oil inside the actual engine. That will burn away. I've let it run for a bit, switched it off, and it's unfortunately I've got water inside the exhaust. That's why it's popping. And just going to upgrade it again. Going to put a accelerator cable on. Doesn't seem to come with one for some reason or another. And that's the cable I've fitted. It's just a bicycle gear lever. And I've just connected it. Put in start, as in choke, and then run when it warms up. Put your forwards for run. And then here you can see where I've connected the cable to the carburetor. There wasn't one. Well, this machine doesn't come with one. Just give it a demonstration. The engine running. Flip it up and then increase the revs. And summing up, I've overhauled the unit and I've upgraded it by adding an accelerator. And adding an inline fuel filter. And the unit's completely clean now and ready to go. As you can see, no smoke, no leaks at all. That concludes. Once again, thanks for watching and please subscribe.